Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel. My name is Raylene, and I'm a sustainable fashion and lifestyle influencer, coach, person. Here we go. We are mending the lining in your suit jacket today. It's pretty bad. I know this may be self-explanatory, this video. Just sew it up, right? But I'm just gonna show you the easiest way to do it, the simplest, fastest way. Get all these rips sewn back together. This is a big one. And yes, this will be a pretty quick video. Okay. Let's go. What you need in this video is your jacket that needs some fixing, mending up, and thread that matches your jacket close enough to match your fabric. Scissors, stitch ripper for an emergency, always keep a stitch ripper, and a sewing machine, of course. Yes, a sewing machine, and actually a needle too, a sewing needle, because we're gonna do some hand sewing and some machine sewing, because we have some pretty big rips here, so we need the machine for it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so step one, you're gonna want to find your biggest rip in your sleeve there, and we're gonna take a seam. And when doing that, make sure you tuck in everything so that there's no raw edges showing, and it's a nice clean seam. Edge stitching it shut together as much as you can, and of course start and end with your back stitches. So step two, you're going to want to search around your jacket to see if you can find any more big rips that you can stitch into a seam with the sewing machine. We're going to start hand sewing the small little tears and rips in your suit jacket. Okay, and the hand sewing stitch pattern that we're going to be using is like a crisscross stitch. So we're gonna, for all the little tears, we're just gonna do kind of a diagonal motion going up the tear and then coming back in the opposite diagonal direction, going down the tear area as well. And this is what it looks like just on the side here. I put a little pop-up picture so you can see closer. But yeah, this is a very good stitch to know because for hand sewing, so you can prevent big rips like the big seams that we shut. So this prevents them from getting any bigger and more damage. So very important for any garment that you may be fixing is just do it right away, and don't stall and wait until the mending takes longer, because the holes become bigger or the rips become more bigger or whatever, right? So yeah, better to catch them first when you notice them. All right, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Hope that was helpful, and you've mended your jacket now. No more holes. Amazing. If this was helpful, like and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. For more content like this, as always, ride the wave and stay hydrated.